How to change order of Instagram photos after posting. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel and let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram app. Let's go ahead and view our post. Here in this case, you can see I have two photos. Now, if you would like to change the order of this photo and bring this onto back and see this as your front picture, here's how you can do it. Tap on three dot icon, tap edit. You have to first delete this photo so that your second photo can pop up more. Tap on the bin icon, tap delete. Tap onto the check icon, now refresh your page. As you can see that this picture has been popping up on the first. Tap on three bar icon, tap your activity, then recently deleted. You will see the photo that you have deleted. Tap restore again. Now wait for this to load. Tap on view your profile, refresh your page. And if you go ahead and click onto your post, you can see that we have changed order of this post and we have brought this photo to our second and second photo to our first. Just like so guys, this is how you can do the same as well.